So QTouch library. So probably the greatest flexibility, greatest overall capability that we offer in our solution portfolio is through the QTouch library. So the idea is to support touch in any of Atmel's microcontrollers. And we want to provide this capability free. So today we have a library which supports most of our 8-bit and our 32-bit AVR devices, downloadable from our website for free. And it's a pre-compiled and linkable library so that the user does not have to worry about any of the implementation details of the touch interface. You can see that in our microcontroller families we can support up to 64 channels. And probably the benefit that I mentioned before, the greatest benefit, is the ability to integrate functionality, touch functionality, with any general purpose microcontroller feature. So you may have motor control in your design, or analog sensing, or controlling a display, and then simply add touch to it through the QTouch library. So again, integration is really key and provides the complete control over your overall design. Then finally, in order to enable easy prototyping, easy development and debug, we have a full ecosystem of development tools. Along with our QTouch library, we have QTouch Studio, which is our software GUI, integrated development environment, that allows you to do your configuration of your touch interface, touch sensors, as well as tune your sensors in real time, and you can do your debugging that way as well. And then finally, we have a hardware platform, which is our QT600 kit, in addition to other development kits. But this is our full modular development and evaluation kit that allows the user to even design their own hardware to plug into the QT600 development system to do your own end system prototyping. And as I mentioned before, we have support for all of our AVR devices. So you see for the Tiny AVR, Mega AVR, X Mega, which are our 8-bit devices, and then our UC3 device, which is our 32-bit AVR device. We've also recently added support there. Now starting this quarter, at the end of this quarter, we're going to add the ARM Cortex-M3. And then throughout the rest of the year, we'll be adding the rest of the ARM7 and ARM9 devices. So by the end of 2010, every flash-based microcontroller family that Atmel sells will have touch support. So again, provides a great overall capability and many options to the designer. Now finally, because we know that there are many solutions on the market, we closely study how our performance compares to other solutions. And the things that we focus on are signal-to-noise ratio, so providing best overall noise immunity, best signal-to-noise ratio, which really equates to overall reliability. Couple that with a very high performance, at the highest performance microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller in the industry for touch products, and that creates a very capable overall touch solution. And then through the touch library, that also provides lots of options for the designer in developing their system, both from a touch perspective as well as a general purpose, other integration of other features. And because Atmel is strongly committed to this market, we're committed to also being the leader of innovation. And we continue to add new touch capabilities and touch products to our overall portfolio, like adding haptics to our device family, adding failure mode effectivity analysis for different types of industries for the high reliability and safety compliant industries. And then also, always adding new touch or adding support for touch to our AVR and other microcontroller families. And then finally, because of that commitment, we have truly excellent support that we provide to our customers, both through field support, application expertise, documentation. We document a lot of our intelligence and all of our knowledge within our application notes and design guides. And then finally, we have a strong commitment to developing truly disruptive and groundbreaking features and ease of use capabilities within our development tools. So the name of the game today is making designs simple and easy as possible for engineers to reduce the workload, reduce the resource load, and get to market as quickly as possible. And that's Atmel's commitment. So I appreciate your time for today at the show. Hope you enjoy the rest of your show. And thank you very much for stopping by the Atmel booth.